My name's Rusty Sitton. I'm the Redneck Boat Guy. I build two-cylinder racing outboard boats. I build the props to go on them, and we also sail a 33-foot catamaran named See Y'all Later. Hope you enjoy the channel. Welcome to another episode of Redneck Garage. This is Rusty. We're going to do a lot of reinforcing of the right non-trip today. As you may remember, I put 3 mil wood down, so we're putting some carbon fiber down to back it up and make it strong. Got some helpers in the garage today. My son Russ and my son Jono are here helping me. We're going to make a lot of good progress, so buckle up. Here we go. Cleaned up. Alright, let's see. What's next? Need some juice. Well, they go right over those.
Oh, I see.
Those places. I think that's the right field back there. Well, here you can see we've got the boat turned over. Got all the carbon fiber wet out on the inside, letting it dry. So got a big job in transitioning the bottom of the boat to the new non-trip. This is on the outside, on the turning side. Doing a lot of grinding and transitioning here, making it come out right. A lot of detail work. I love that little die grinder, man. I'm using, I think, a 36 grit disc on it. Those little discs just screw on, really work out nice. And with the small die grinder, you've got a lot of dexterity there, where you can really work it. It cuts pretty quick, so you don't have to stay on it. You know, you cut through the head of the screw. It doesn't matter what. So yeah, I'm gonna work this for a while and get my transition headed in the right direction, and then we'll start putting some glass on this outside. See that some of the staples have sawdust in them. Got to blow the staple holes out. yeah, these 3 layers of carbon fiber that I'm putting on here will do a couple of good things. One, it'll tie the bevel that I was working on a while ago to the new non-trip, make that really strong. But it'll also begin the transition from the non-trip to the lap straight. That's very important to make it turn right. This is called peel ply, this blue stuff. It feels kind of like silk, but what it does is you put it over the top of a layup, and it smooths it out, but it also soaks up extra resin. As you can see, it's wetting as I go. I don't know if you can get a good view of that. See how it gets wetter and wetter? And keep on moving the camera. It gets wetter and wetter as you go. So this roller's pushing all the weave together and making it more dense, shoving that extra resin out, which makes a tighter layup, makes it stronger, but it also makes it lighter. Well, how about a triple non-trip? Anybody up for that? I got this one out here, this one here, and then this one here, and then the lap straight. That'll work in it. The reason I did that, the reason I put that on there, was I knew what dimension I wanted the height of that lap straight, and I think that is super critical about how I got it turning last time, and I wanted to recreate that exactly. So I made this strip and put it up in there, got exactly the measurement I wanted, and nailed it down all the way down. So I got my lap straight like I wanted. But I kind of like the fact that it, you know, on acceleration, it'll hit this and kind of break off here, right? Instead of following the non-trip all the way out, I think it might accelerate better even with that. So anytime you break the water up more than once, it's going to be a good thing. So now, yep, trips. And it's only got one layer of carbon fiber behind this one. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start Kevlar up here and go all the way to here. Stop it right there, and everything else from there back is just rock solid. Got 2 and 3 layers of carbon fiber inside that 3 mil. So I put any more and it's gonna be too much. And I put 2 layers of carbon fiber down on that joint before I put this board over it. So yeah, stout. Wow, big day on the boat today. Got a lot done. Really did a lot of tuning and sanding and getting everything straight back here. And came up here and I put some Kevlar up here in the, no, I think I want the inside area. I think I want the inside lane. He can come up in here and bump and that'll be all right there. So, and I think I'm gonna continue the Kevlar back a little bit more, maybe not. Depending on how it dries and how strong it is right there. I think it's plenty strong for what we're doing. Well, we was getting so good at it, we thought we'd just tear the other non-trip off too. No, we had a little bit of delamination up here on this front part, on that 100-year-old wood, and we didn't want to go back to the races and have another problem. 99% of that non-trip was good, but the 1% that wasn't needed to be replaced, so we just took it all off and gonna go back with the 3 mil and then probably just a sheet of carbon on the back side and call it good. But yeah, we got that taken off and had a bulkhead that was busted in here. I got a little piece that I'm fixing. This was the other side. I think we had showed it to you before about that this bulkhead was broke. But yeah, we just about got it. Jono spent a long time working on the groove and the slot and getting everything prepped for the wood, and we are just about there. We've got this piece cut. It flips over. So once I fix that bulkhead up there, we're going to sand this piece, glue it, and staple it on, and then we got a new non-trip. Again, that's 3 mil oak kumi, and I'll build it up to about 6 mil with the composites on the outside, so it'll be plenty of meat carbon up there. But man, this side is looking good. We've really been working a lot on it to get the edges right. I actually put a third non-trip in there. You got this one, and now this one. With the measurement from here to here that I know all the way down the boat, and the angle here of the old non-trip, I know that works. That's what was happening. That's what was working for us before. But now, instead of just that little short non-trip coming out to there, we've got all this meat to hold on to. So I know this angle at that turns really good. It worked for us. So I recreated that in a smaller version and put this out here to hold it all up. All right, yeah, jam it on there.
What we got?
Back there.
I do.
What do you think about putting one right here first? You know what I mean? Locating that middle right there.
Yeah.
Pushing it down
We
good.
should be marking where these trims are.
I'm getting my pencil right now to do exactly that. Alright, let it up.
Good, son.
Yeah. Yeah, that's exactly what I was thinking about doing right when you said that. Okay. All right. So, what do you think if I snap it right there in the middle and then we work both ways?
All right. So that will give us a two.
Oh, I don't need the long ones. Yeah. I got them right here. All right, okay. Yeah, these are shorter. All we gotta go through is that. Well, with the addition of one more little piece, you can see I've got a bare spot there on the front, but with one more little piece, that'll be all of the wood on the non-trips when we get those built up. So we got a lot done, man, on this video. Got a lot more that we've already done that I hadn't published. The boat's further along than the videos are because I've been working on it instead of editing videos. But yeah, man, we're getting going. Everything's looking good. Fixing to snap this non-trip down. Got it all glued up. Got it fitting in a little slot like we did on that other side. And coming right along. Real pleased with the progress of the boat. Y'all stay tuned. We're gonna make this thing float here sooner or later.